So welcome guys. Today I will be making beef stew. Once in a blue moon I want to feel the taste of the red beef, even though, health-wise this is one of those meats that if you look at research stuff, red meat is not always recommended, especially if you're extra careful with what you eat, really. Because for instance you are on a healthy. Actually this is not any medical advice that I'm giving. I'm just giving this information based of research work and things that I read. Nyama ya red huwa si ile nyama ambayo wana recommend, yani kama unataka ukue careful na chakula unachokula, kwa sababu inaweza kuwa na, sitaki kusema kabisa what it's been linked to, but eating it in moderations. Kama unaikula tu, like kama una watch yale what you're eating, then I believe it should be okay. But when I go to buy beef, I'm pretty careful on what I'm getting, regardless. I read somewhere that kama it's like they use some chemicals on these meats, especially if it looks like really red. Have you all looked at being into a store and then you're about to buy beef and you see that there's beef that is really red, like fresh beef? Ask yourself a question, because at that point in time you should know that these chemicals has been added to make it look like it's fresh. So watch out, be careful on what you're buying. Okay, so while I'm cutting this, I'm almost done. Karibu tumalize. Leo nimesikia tu tukule kanyama stew. Nothing complex, just ile nyama ambayo ile nyama unajua tu ile kanyama umeweka ka kitunguu, kanyanya hivi na tu spice tu kiasi na chumvi kidogo. That meat why not slap. So that was me cutting this meat, because I don't like the bulky chunks. And by the way, it came like this. It was already pre-cut, but the sizes were larger portions. So I prefer to cut the meat into smaller pieces, just, that's just a personal preference. I do understand that some of you guys might like the bigger chunks, but it also might depend on what type of what type of food you're going to cook. But if I'm cooking something that's been to be eaten as a stew, like with ugali, I like it when it is smaller chunks. But then if I was cooking pilau or something like that, then I wouldn't mind just washing this meat and just boiling it straight away. But then we are almost done. Karibu tunamaliza kukatakata ito nyama. Next thing is to wash the meat. We're gonna wash the meat in a little bit. So that's the pre-ready cut meat. That's, it looked red. A little bit suspicious if they added whatever the chemical they used to make it look so fresh, which is also harmful to your health. I'm washing the meat straight up with the tap water. I might wash it one round or two rounds, wherever. Some people use, I've known some people to use lime while washing their beef. You can use that also if you like. But in my case, sorry guys, I do not have the lime, and I'm just gonna use what I got. So my meat is ready. It's now gonna go to the oven to boil. stove top. It's gonna boil for roughly anywhere between 20, not less than 20 minutes. You can adjust the temperature as you please, but while